This is the everything drone. DJI Mini 3 Pro, RC controller. We're gonna fly it here. First impression, Zach, you excited?
Yeah.
You know, because Zach, he flies a lot of drones here on Geek Culture. I fly a little bit as well. I have an FPV at home and I got the Mavic 2. You know, Zachy, you've had some fun with your drones before in the past, haven't you?
Oh yeah, a lot of near misses.
And some hits.
Yeah.
Some real bad hits. We'll show you that later on in the video. But anyway, we're gonna test this bad boy out. Big thanks to DJI Singapore. We only got one battery, so this will be a relatively short video, but we'll do a first impressions and you're gonna be seeing some more footage over the coming weeks in various different videos. So with that, let's test out the Mini 3 Pro. One of the big things on this is, of course, the updated sensors on this. So you have sensors in the front, in the back, and below. Obstacle deterrence, much needed for any drone. Drones that do not have it, you've got to be really good at your flying because otherwise you're going to hit something. Also, you got the SD card in the back here, which is a little bit tough to lock that card in. And I've tried it multiple times. I actually had to take another card and kind of keep lock it in there again. This is a demo unit, so it might be a bit of an issue with that. Maybe yours will be better, but just keep that in mind. USB-C charging on this, so if you want to charge the drone, you can do that. And this battery is ultra light. I mean, this drone only weighs 249 grams. With this battery, about 34 minutes of flight time, say realistically around 30 minutes thereabouts, depending on how you fly it. If you get the larger capacity battery, it will increase the weight, then you have to register your drone depending on what country you're in. So do keep that in mind. And yeah, you got a 4K 60 camera on this. You can do descending light and all that great stuff. You've got 1080 at 120. So it's pretty much part and parcel with a lot of drones out there from DJI, but it comes in a very compact, lightweight body. So now, that's enough about the specs. Let's fly this bad boy. Let's fly, Zachy, fly. Anyway, before we kick things off, here's a message from our sponsor, Logitech.
Here at Geek Culture, we love our keyboards, especially with the all-new Logitech MX Keys Mini. An elegant and functional keyboard, its ultra-responsive rounded keycaps are super stable and quiet for more productivity. There are buttons to enable dictation, microphone audio control, and emojis. The backlit keys illuminate when you get close and matches the lighting of the environment you're in. It lasts up to 10 days on a full charge or 5 months with the backlights turned off. To find out more about the Logitech MX Keys Mini and their latest range of products, head over to logitech.com.
All right, Zach and I are trying to get the DJI Mini 3 Pro to work.
How do we do that special feature thingy?
Special feature thingy. That is a new feature from DJI, special feature thingy. Works well. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is gonna track us right there. See that right there? You can see in the sun? Can't you? No? Yeah, you can. You can see right there. Look at that. What's up, Joni? Look at that drone right there. Look at that drone right there. Yes, the drone is taking off. Oh shit, don't hit the building. Don't hit the building, Zachy. Zachy, shit. We're in Singapore. I want to stay in Singapore. Don't get me in trouble, Zachy. It's only 249 grams, we should be okay, but, and off it goes. Rides off into the sunset. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow. Look at that cinema mode right there. Look at that. I mean, relatively short because we only have one battery. We didn't get the Fly More package for this review. DJI Singapore only sent us the drone, the RC2 controller, and of course, one battery. Highly recommend you always get the Fly More package. Always get it no matter what. It's a few hundred more bucks, but it's so much more worth it, especially with what you get. This controller is absolutely badass. It's a must. Forget using your phone, right?
Yep.
It's great, right?
It's great.
I mean, the brightness on the display, you can see it in bright daylight, no problem at all. It is so much better to use. Here's the thing about this drone. Zachy, show this drone quick. See this? There's nothing to hold the propellers in place. See, there's nothing to hold, nothing.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I think the Air 2S has a little bit of a bra to it, right?
Yeah.
A rubber strap bra kind of a thing. You would think that they would do it for this one because it just flops around and it's not good. You don't want floppy propeller wings. You want them to be stable, especially when you put it into a bag. And also the cover that you put on this camera is the hardest thing I've ever had to put onto any drone. It takes like 5 minutes to put on. This camera keeps wanting to tilt down and go on an odd angle. Now you can't put that in with this cover here. It's gotta be exact. So you gotta put your thumb in there, hope for the best that it stays. Who designed this cover? They don't get a promotion this year. No bonus. But besides that, drone is super stable, easy to fly, it's quiet, the controller is awesome, great image quality as you're gonna see throughout this review. And yeah, that's our first impressions. Full review coming very soon, but I mean, you've already seen a lot of videos on it, but I will tell you this is probably gotta be one of the most fun drones to use, right, Zachy?
Oh, hell yeah.
I mean, and it's only a few $100 less than the FPV, but it's a lot less to carry with you, and at the same time, it's gonna cover most of the shots that you need, and especially if you're new to flying drones, but you want something that's got some obstacle detection, great 4K video, photography, portrait mode.
Yeah,
Portrait mode, baby. Instagram stories, IG reels, all that stuff. It's in it. You can do it with this. Anyway, with that, guys, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to the channel, like our videos, follow us on Instagram as well. What's your Instagram?
Zachy IT.
Zachy IT, because he's an IT guy. B. Tonelli. And with that, we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.